Hi, I'm Tanita Bailey. Talk about some simple financing for your projects, right? If you're looking for no hassle, no problem loans that you can renovate, repair, remodel your existing home or your investment property, I've got some great news for you. We have just launched Capital City Construction, where we can actually build your dreams. So not only can we fund those projects that you want to have completed, that you've been putting everything off, you've been wanting a new kitchen remodel, a new bathroom remodel, or a new patio, or a new deck right outside in your home, or if you want to renovate your investment properties, you have got to give me a call, okay? Because now we're able to offer some simple, no hassle refinance or remodeling loans, no hassle. Most of them require no documentation, meaning no pay stub, W-2s, bank statements. Easy loan. Give me a call if you're interested in finding out more details on how you can get approved for this special, simple financing designed strictly for you.